Please consider at least introducing yourself and then reliving a trauma for me before you ask. I am brightening my makeup because y'all know me. I am refreshing and brightening my makeup. I got this new Be Bright Illuminating Concealer, and let's see if it works. It's very affordable. I use my good brush. I need the brightness everywhere. I thought this was my good brush, but it's not. Now I've got it everywhere. Oh, that's a mess. I don't like where I'm seeing like these heavy bags. I'm gonna go underneath it because I want to brighten and blur. I haven't been doing my microcurrent device regularly since I started having surgery, and it really made a difference in the muscles around my mouth were working. It allowed me to drink from a straw, just things I hadn't done since I was set on fire. Trying to normalize saying since I was set on fire. I don't know why. I actually found my concealer brush. I should be making it known that an evil person did this to me. You know, it's not an accident. You don't have to wonder. You know, I don't really feel like always telling my story. You know, if I'm just walking down the street with a friend, maybe I don't feel like reliving the worst thing that's ever been done to me just to satisfy your curiosity. You know, I'm just saying. Maybe not. This is working well, but it's kind of dry. I'm using my good Fenty concealer brush now, and it's just not everything I dreamed of. It's bright, but that is about all it is. It's also cakey and dry. So yeah, maybe the person that you're staring at in public doesn't want to constantly be seen as a talking point. I tell my story every day. So imagine if it's someone who is not accustomed to even telling their story, and you're asking them what happened to you. Try to remember that it's not your business at all. And I get it. We all have curiosity. You have no reason to wonder why someone simply looks different than you. In certain instances, you know, it might be welcome. It might be okay. But read the room. Please consider at least introducing yourself and then reliving a trauma for me before you ask. That's something a friend of mine with the Phoenix Society told me. Best thing I've ever heard. Come to me, one size beauty. I'm gonna powder it. For everyone screaming no, have faith. I've got to update my eyeliner also. I'm just using NYX Epic Ink Liner, so that'll be super easy to update. And really, I just need to fix my tight line the most. It is a rarity for me to use a powder puff this way. For these purposes, it's going to work. In general, a powder puff under a mature eye like this is going to accentuate texture, and they'll be a lot better if you use a brush. I like the way the one size powder just melts. That's really pretty and bright under there. This is the Rare Beauty gel liner. That's looking pretty. My eyes just aren't even, so I kind of have to fake it. Let's see, what else? That brightener is nice. Let's do my lips. Browned Out, my first Fenty lip liner was browned out, and I honestly only have two because they are pricey, and I have to line my lips every day. My top lip doesn't have a shape. It's not really a lip, so I can't be out in these streets buying $30 lip liners all the time that are soft. You go through these pretty quickly. Are they worth it? Yes. Can you use it every day? Not me. Not me. Gonna line it. Okay, it's heavy. I don't know. It's good liner, but it's a little too soft. It really is just too soft. And it doesn't even work well like this. Oh, so frustrating. I really love Fenty, but for this kind of money, I'll just stick with MAC. Gonna feather the inside of the line. Oh, pretty. So the Riri combo is the browned out lip liner that I'm wearing with the Rose Amber lip oil. I have been a tint on my lips because they have no color otherwise. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. That's pretty. That is so pretty. I need to brighten the color just a little bit. I'm blending that pink into my eyeshadow because it's pretty. It's so pretty. Does makeup just make y'all happy? This lip, it reflects like bluish purple, but it's brown, and it's so pretty. Look at it. Look at this ColourPop highlighter. I know, I don't need any more, but we're gonna do it anyway. That is so pretty, ColourPop. The pink pony. Going to a new nail salon today. I'm super excited because I've got to get my nails done before another red carpet this week. It'll be Thursday, which is kind of sad because that's Grady's birthday, but I get to spend the day with him. You know, Cinnamon by Fenty. Cinnamon, spelled differently. And there we have it. We are updated. This Fenty Makeup Extending Setting Spray you missed. Buy it. It works as well as a finishing spray that would contain alcohol or butane, but it is the stuff. And then the secret sauce, Bare Minerals setting spray. This is 24-hour setting spray, and they mean it. It's my new holy grail combo. Only you know about it. The first, then the Bare Minerals. That's so pretty. Somebody took my face away from me, but he couldn't take my dignity. He couldn't take my happiness. And because I kept all that and stayed determined, I got all the physical things back. And that's what matters. I love y'all. Remember that whatever you're going through, this too shall pass.